Well, finally it is good to be back under the sky, open and doing an outdoor shoot. फाटल्या काहीशा महिने आम्ही पळयला की स्टुडिओन किंवा एनक्लोज एनवायरमेंटान मातसो बेजारसो आयल्लो. सो आय वॉन्टेड टू ट्रॅवल आउटसायड, एक्सप्लोर अ लिटल गोवा. इंटरेस्टिंगली दसऱ्याच्या निमतान म्हाका म्हज्या रिपोर्टरान एक बरी स्टोरी सांगली. ती स्टोरी आसली एका आर्टिस्टाची. ताणें 9 देवींची 9 पेंटिंगां केल्ली नवरात्रीच्या निमित्तान आनी ती पळोवन म्हाका खरेंच बरें दिसलें की आय नीड टू मीट दीस आर्टिस्ट अँड ऑब्वियसली विजीट हीज प्लेस. आता आर्टिस्ट रावता म्हाजो आडपय. आता ताका ते सरप्रायज हांव मातशें फाटीं दवरता. बट आडपय जर वतलो जाल्यार आय वॉन्टेड अ ट्रस्टेड ब्रँड अँड ट्रस्टेड कार विथ मी. So who better than Skoda? So I called up my friends at Skoda and तांकां म्हटलें की would you like to join me in the journey to explore this artist in Adpai? And they readily agreed. So I'm just waiting for my guys to come and obviously my car to come and we will travel to Adpai. तुम्ही माझ्या बरोबर आवर्जून राहा बिकॉज हांवें अजून आर्टिस्ट नेम रिवील करूंक ना आणि जी गाडी येतली ती पळोवया. गाडयेचे फीचर्स आणि ऑब्वियसली दी आर्टिस्ट जेणे तें काम केलां तें एक्सप्लोर करूया. ऑल दिस इन दिस व्हेरी स्पेशल प्रोग्राम ऑफ दिस ट्रॅव्हल शो. Before we start our journey, आमच्या बरोबर असा साईश काकोडकर. साईश बाब, thank you very much for joining us. And obviously the Skoda team that has come up. Interestingly, I have 2 cars with me.
Yes.
To explore this place. Can you just brief a little?
Yeah, basically today the car which you are sitting in currently is Skoda Superb. We call it a flagship car of Skoda.
Okay.
And yes, and we have a bread and butter which is there behind standing,
Okay.
which is a Skoda Rapid.
Okay.
You might be seeing it on the road as well. And this is a limousine sector which we call it.
Okay.
And so let's drive.
Obviously we need to drive, we need to explore, and we are traveling to Adpai with Skoda. Let's go. We're traveling to Adpai and I'm still enjoying this journey, and I think this journey adding enjoyable जावची नसली if at all it was not Skoda, and this is the topmost car that Skoda has. And obviously to know more about it, माझ्या बरोबर असा त्याच्यावर सांगला साईश. साईश, since how long you are with Skoda?
It's been 4 years. 4 वर्ष झाले बघा. I'm working with Skoda.
More importantly, why Skoda?
I've also worked with other brands.
Yeah.
But जे Skoda जे ती एक vibe असा, just like you build a trust with legacy in people's heart.
Yeah.
Basically because the car, it proves the strength, the stability, the sturdiness. ते सगळे असा ते एक दुसऱ्याक सांगता असताना पयलीं आपण कन्विन्स असपाक जाय असता. So that convincing, I'm already convinced with my product. So that's why I always tell my people that I guide
always
them.
recommend.
Yes, I guide them in a proper way.
You have inclinations towards art?
Yes, I do have. I also paint also, but
Okay.
not meaning full passion अशें नाशिल्लें.
As a hobby.
As a hobby, definitely.
Okay. As I've said, we are exploring an artist. We want to talk to him. आणि हो प्रवास आम्ही खरोच एन्जॉय करता because there's such a comfort here in this car, and obviously the journey is such a beautiful thing to enjoy. इट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट टू ट्रॅव्हल अ प्लेस बट इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू एन्जॉय द जर्नी अँड आय थिंक माझी जर्नी जी आसा ती हांवें खूब एन्जॉय केला इन स्कोडा सुपर्ब अँड आय थिंक I would say that this journey has been superb traveling to आडपय. आता आडपय गांवान कित्याक गेला हें तुमकां पयलींच सांगलेलें बट जे हांवें सरप्रायज एलिमेंट दवरलेलो तो मातसो फाटीं दवरला दॅट इज दी आर्टिस्ट रिव्हिलेशन. तशें तुमी स्टार्टींग 9 पेंटिंगां पयलीं 9 देवींची पेंटिंगां पयलीं जातूंतल्यान आमची ही ओड हांगासर आमकां घेवपाक आयली इज आडपय गांवांत आनी आय हॅव दी आर्टिस्ट विथ मी नन अदर दॅन सागर नाईक मुळे. सागर बाब वेलकम टू द शो.
देव बरें करूं सगळ्यांक येवकार. चित्रांचे थ्रू तुमकां सगळ्यांक पावले आनी तुमी हांगसर आमकां मुद्दम म्हाका मेळपाक येयले म्हणून आभारी.
ओके सागर म्हाका एक सांग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पेंटिंगाचेर आमी मागीर येवया बट मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली प्रत्येक गोश्टीक खंयच्यान तरी सुरवात जावची पडटा खंयच्यान तरी ती आवड निर्माण जावची पडटा. यू आर अ फूल टायम आर्टिस्ट वीच इज अ चॅलेंजींग जॉब. म्हाका सांग ही आवड तुजी सुरवात खंयच्यान जाली?
सुरवात असो अमकोच पॉयंट म्हणना पूण आमच्या घराण्याकूच तें रक्तान आसा आर्ट आनी हो गांवूच कलाकारांचो गांव म्हणून फेमस आसा ऑलरेडी. सो तें आमकां ऑलरेडी म्हणल्यार एडॉप्ट करिनासतना आंगान आसा. सो तेंच हांवें जो म्हाका जो देवाची जी कृपा आसा पळय न्ही तेंच हांवें जर्नीक फुडें सिरियसली घेवन आनी ल्हानपणाच्यान म्हाजी इच्छा आशिल्ली हांव आर्टिस्टूच जातलो म्हणून आनी तेंच आजून पर्यंत हांव काम करीत आसा आनी हेजे फुडें करतलो.
ऑब्वियसली शिक्षण घेतलें ताच्या नंतर बॅचलर्स केलें इन फायन आर्ट्स ताच्या नंतर मास्टर्स केलें इन फायन आर्ट्स आनी टुडे यू आर अ फूल टायम आर्टिस्ट. म्हाका एक सांग हें जेन्ना तुजें काम पळयता पळय तेन्ना खंय तरी एक रस्टीक फिलींग म्हाका दिसता. ऑब्वियसली तुजी जी हेअरस्टायल आसा ती खुबशा पेंटिंगांनी म्हाका आदळून आयल्या जेन्ना हांव पेंटिंग्स पळयतालो ते आनी मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली गोवा आनी द फॉरगॉटन गोवा तें दिसून येता. हाज्या बद्दल म्हाका खरेंच आवर्जून सांग.
आमचो गांव आसा तो कलाकारांचो गांव म्हणटा तो फक्त फ्लोटांक आनी करता त्या चित्रांक लागून न्ही बट आमचो गांव मोचव्याक लागून. मोचवी म्हळ्यार आतांचे टायम आवले बार्जी पयलीं बार्जी नाशिल्ल्यो त्या टायम आवले पयलींची त्यो मोचव्यो म्हणटाले ताका त्यो आनी व्हड्याक लागून सामको स्पेशल आशिल्लो. लोक येताले स्पेशल हांगा बांदपाक लागून आनी लोकांक काम मेळटालें. तोच मेन बॅकबोन आशिल्लो ह्या गांवाचो आनी ताका लागून कितें जातालें सगळ्यांच्या हातीक तो क्राफ्ट जावं ड्राफ्टमॅनशीप आशिल्ली आनी तेजेर म्हाका दिसता चड करून गांव फेमस जालो कलाकारांचो गांव म्हणून. मागीर तेजे नंतर येयली चवथ येयली दिवाळी येयली फ्लोट येयले मागीर डेवलपमेंट जायत गेलो पूण मेन गजाल ती आनी ताकाच लागून आयची घडीन सद्याची घडीन जी आमची ओळख एक टायमार आशिल्ली पोर्तुगीज टायमाचेर सामकी जी फेमस आशिल्ली ती आतां ना. तें पळोवन म्हाका खूब दूख जाता की जे कलाकारांचो गांव म्हण आमी फक्त टॅग तो आसा पळय न्ही कलाकारांचो गांव म्हणून तो घेवन फक्त मिरयतात आनी पूण ओरिजिनली कितें आसा पळय न्ही तें शेणलां आनी तेंच अशेंच शेणलेलें आमचे हेच गांवचे न्ही सर गोंयाक अशे कितकेशे गांव आसतले जेंचे जे गांवांची जे मेन आसा पळय तेंच मूळ शेणलां आनी तेच तसलीच मुळां घेवनूच हांव एक झाड तयार करतां.
ह्या फावटी जेन्ना नवरात्र चालू आसली तेन्ना तुवें काहीशी पेंटींग काडली जी हांवें ऑलरेडी म्हाज्या व्ह्युअर्सांक दाखयला. 9 पेंटिंग्स काडली त्यो 9 देवी गोंयची. म्हाका सांग हो कॉन्सेप्ट पयलीं खंयच्यान आयलो आनी ते खंयच्या टायम पिरियडान तुवें ही सुरवात केली काम करपाची?
सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार जेन्ना कोवीड-19 हो पिरियड स्टार्ट जालो तेन्ना म्हणल्यार सामको आर्टिस्टांचो ड्राय पिरियड म्हणटा सुरू जालो आनी अजुनूय चालू आसा. आतां केन्ना सोंपतलो तो म्हाकाय खबर ना पूण दीस वचत रावले आनी जशी जशी फेस्टिवल येयली तशी तशी उमेदीचे जो रंग आसता पळय तसोय येत रावलो. उमेदीचो रंग येतालो पूण लोकां मदीं ती नेगेटिविटी आसा ती अजुनूय आसा सोंपना आनी नेगेटिविटीच म्हाका दिसता चड करून कोवीड-19 चड स्प्रेड करता. सो चवथ गेली तितूनच आतां नवरात्र येयली. नवरात्राक इतक्यो नवरात्रांत आमकां चडशी पॉजिटिविटी कितें शिकयता तरी पूण वर्सान वर्स एक ट्रेंड आसा जावन गेला आनी वर्सान वर्स करताय बी लोक की प्रत्येक दिसा एक कलरांची ड्रेस कोड करता. सो एज अ आर्टिस्ट हांवेंनूय तांकां तेच लोकांक फॉलो करप म्हळ्यार म्हाज्या आनी तेंचे बद्दल फरक कांयच आसपाना. हांव ते कॉमन मनीस कसोच जाला. सो हे निमतान म्हणल्यार प्रत्येक दिसा जशी लोक जशे कपडे हें करता तशेंच हांवें म्हणल्यार प्रत्येक दिसा एक नवें चित्र तयार करुया. तेच निमतान एक नवें चित्र तयार जातलें. म्हाकाय उमेद जातली एक नवें चित्र पळोवनूय बी आनी एक कितें तरी नवें तयारी जातलें म्हणून हांव चित्र काडीत गेलो हांवें चिंतून नाशिल्ली ती इतकी बरी जातली सिरीज म्हणून, पूण करतना जी इतकी पॉजिटिविटी मेळ्ळी पळय देवांची, जावं देवाक हांव सदांच वयतालो तेन्ना पांय पडटालो येतालो, हांवें केन्नाच इतकें मायन्यूट ऑब्जर्वेशन करून येयलें. तें ऑब्जर्वेशन म्हाका ते चित्रांच्यान मेळ्ळें. आनी ते चित्रांचें एक स्पेशलिटी आसा मेन म्हणल्यार की हांवें तितून कावी आर्ट घेतला. कावी आर्टांचो जो पॅटर्न आसा पळय न्ही ताका एडॉप्ट केला हांवें त्या चित्रांनी. आनी कावी आर्टाची सेम गजाल आसा जी म्हाजे जे सब्जेक्टाचो मॅटर आसा पळय न्ही, शेणलेलो गांव जावं शेणलेलें गोंय, तशीच कावी आर्टांनी आसा. कावी आर्टान कशें की पोन्नेलीं देवळां आसा तितूनच कावी आर्ट आसा. नवीं जी रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट केल्या पळय तितून कावी आर्टाचो 1% सुद्दां कांय ना. सो हांवें तेंच हें केलें, तितून माती काय यूज केल्या, देवी यूज केल्या ज्यो पॉप्युलरी कनेक्टेड आसा त्यो, आनी कावी आर्टाचे थ्रू हांवें त्यो देवींची इमेजी तयार केल्यो. सो आनी तितून हांवें पानां दाखयलें. सो कित्याक म्हाजी मता प्रमाणें गॉड इज अ नेचर आनी नेचर इज अ गॉड. सो हांवें दोनाकूय हें करूनच एक नवरात्रींचें एक नवं चित्र तयार केली.
आतां खंय तरी उत्साह परत येता, तो उत्साहाचो रंग आमच्या तोंडाचेर दिसता, एकामेकाचेर दिसता, आनी तुज्या त्या पेंटिंगांतल्यान तर दिसता. आयज जेन्ना इकॉनॉमी रिवायव जाता, आयज खंय तरी परत एक हर्ष उल्हास म्हणटा पळय आमी, तसो आमकां सगळे कडेन दिसता. आय थिंक हे असोच फुडें हो पेस चलत उरचो. नवरात्री जाल्या, दसरो जाल्या, आनी आतां आमी दिवाळे वटेन वता आनी फुडें नव्या वर्सा कडेन वयतले. तेन्ना खंय तरी हो उत्साह असोच लोकां मदीं उरचो हेंच म्हाका दिसता मागडे. सागर, म्हाका दिसता पेंटिंगां लोकांनी पळयल्याच बीन, बट म्हाका मातशे थोडेशे डिटेल्स पेंटींग, बिकॉज म्हाका जेन्ना आर्टिस्टा कडेन उलयता तेन्ना बरोच एक प्रश्न पडटा की हेज्या फाटलो कॉन्सेप्ट कितें आसा. सो आय थिंक वी वील डिस्कस सम ऑफ युअर पेंटिंग्स.
ह्या कार्यक्रमांतल्यान सागराची कला आणि स्कोडा गाडीचे फीचर्स दोनूय एक्सप्लोर करपाची आमकां संद मेळ्ळी. म्हणून आमी थारायलें की अशेंच खंय तरी रावंडाक या आनी सागराक रिक्वेस्ट करुया की एक पेंटींग आमकां आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सां खातीर काडची.
जशें आमी म्हणटा की एज फेस्टीव इज प्रोग्रेसींग, फेस्टिवल स्पिरीट इज प्रोग्रेसींग, आय थिंक द इकॉनॉमी इज ऑल्सो रोलिंग. आमी मुद्दाम सागर मुळे नायकाक मेळपाक आयिल्ले हांगासर आडपय गांवांत, आनी पेंटींग ताजें चालू आसा. वायल द पेंटींग इज गोईंग ऑन, ताणें म्हटलें की आमकां एक स्पेशल दितलें. सो वायल द पेंटींग इज ऑन, आय थॉट आयल जस्ट हॅव वर्ड विथ साईश. साईश, म्हाका सांग, you've explained how passionate you are for the brand of Skoda.
Yes.
These two cars have been with us. I have experienced both Superb and Rapid. More than Rapid, I think Superb is something that I need to say, because the kind of comfort zone जो आमकां भितर आसा was amazing, because extensive travel केले आमी, interiors गांवान गेले, but it was amazing that we found. What would you like to say about this car, Superb?
I would like to tell you some few things about the Superb and what are the best in class and the first in class features of the car. And just to give you a small introduction about the Superb, basically the only car which draws a line between the beauty and elegance, the flagship car of Skoda is here in front of you. This is the all new Skoda Superb, which comes in two variants. It comes in LNK. LNK is Lauren and Clement, which is named after the four founders of Skoda, and we have another model which is called the sports line. So we basically दोन मॉडेल येतात तातून, and design at a very attractive price as well, looking into the comparison segment. So तुमकां एक दाखोवपाक म्हणल्यार, if you can just have a look at the bonnet of the car, so you can see the invisible ends. If you can see, these are the specialities. Basically तुमकां end खंय आसा ते दिश्टी पडना. So basically the car which is designed, it is designed in that way. And again the logo now is turned into a black color because we have completed 100 years with the brand. So it was shifted from the down to the, it is shifted on the bonnet. Okay, now this is called a honeycomb grill, which is down. This is the butterfly radiator grill which is there on the car. Then yes, we also come with dual LED headlamps. okay, with washers and all, and with accompanied with the fog lamps and so on. So तुम्ही आता पळयता आसतलें, this is the side profile of the all new Skoda Superb, and these are the alloy pattern. This alloy pattern is named as Cassiopeia, and हातून तुमकां आनी एक वर्जन येता जें स्पोर्ट्स लायनान येता, that is called Stratos Anthracite. Okay, so this is the beautiful side profile of the car, and there is a 360-degree tornado line which is passed on to the entirely भोंवतणी गाडयेच्या. Plus तुमकां हांगा आमचे लॉरेन एंड क्लेमेंट बेजिंग आसता, which is the names of the 4 founders of Skoda. It comes with a beautiful sunroof on top. एक बरें sunroof येता वयर ताका, which has got anti-pinch proof, and all those things are there on the car. Just to take you around the car behind, before there was a logo on this, now it is encrypted in letters. The Skoda is encrypted in letters, as you can see, and there is a cross combination. If you are going for a sports line, the sports line comes with white color, it comes with steel grey, it comes with blue color, and contrast is simultaneously made on the car at the back. Okay, the LED, the tail lamps, as you can see, is now customized. This is the new Superb. पयलींचे Superban दुसरे भशेन येताले. आता these are the LED headlamps, tail lamps, I mean to say, which are there on the car. It comes with a huge boot space. It's a pretty huge boot space if you compare into the segment on the car. This has got a memory function as well, and virtual pedal boot opening. म्हणजे आता तुमच्या हातान सपोज सामान आसा, you have to just flip your leg this way, so automatically it will close. But ना आता ती गाडी बंद आसा, so this is the way it can close. It can stop also this way, and it opens and closes the same way. Coming to the main part, the heart of the car, that is the engine. If we speak about, this car is generating 190 PS of power at the rate of 350 Newton meter torque. So this car is coming in 2 liter TSI petrol engine and generating a power of 190 PS at the rate of 4,200 to 6,000 RPM. And the thing is, previously the 2 liter engine was coming in diesel, but now it is introduced in petrol, and the TSI technology is Skoda is patronized. We are there manufacturing this type of engines from 1895. It is not that we have invented anything, but it is like a wow factor. It is like a patent factor which Skoda has. And secondly, if you go for a spin on the car, then you will realize that how smooth, how the gear shifting ratio is, because we are coming with a DSG gearbox. DSG gearbox is a direct shift gearbox in which you get sports and manual mode as well. The car is having also the pedal shifters also on the car, and the DSG technology which is there on the car is best in class technology, because it doesn't give you that lag while you're driving. The gears are like shifted instantly, and like giving you sluggish drive.
If you can have a sit inside, and then we can talk about the interiors as well.
So आता पळोवपाक उलोवंक वचत जाल्यार आता आमी ज्या गाडयेन बसल्या is the car which is called LNK, and this car is preferably a chauffeur driven car, and mostly people prefer to sit at the back, and as we that we have the highest leg room behind. And yes, if you compare this car with the sports line, as I said that we have two variants on this. So the sports line comes with the entire black interiors, because it's a kind of a sporty version and preferred by young generation, and so, and some man also who wants to drive in a sporty way. And this car which is there is completely a family type of a car, because the interiors, like the family will never prefer a black interior car, but this is a beige and black combination which gives it a very, very premium feel on the car. As you can see, it has a 8-inch touchscreen, it has a DSG gearbox here, it has a Climatronic AC, then it has got a paddle shifters. The steering is tilt and telescopic, can be brought up and down this way. Okay, it has got a auto handbrake, it has got a permanent handbrake. Okay, then it has got a air care feature, auto start stop function. Okay, it comes with 8 airbag with its own Amundsen music system. The car shell has to be very, very strong to take the impact because the airbag plays a role. It's like, you know, it's a bit of a second. It deploys and opens up, and unless and until the car is strong to take the impact, I feel you're not safe in the car. And basically, if you consider the today's situations on the road, day by day the accident ratios are like going high. If you are on a correct path also, someone will come and like put you into mess. So it's always better to look forward in something. When you're buying a car, safety has to be a priority, and we are holding that ratio at par till now, and looking forward for holding it in coming near decade also.
जसे तुम्ही म्हटले की शॉफर ड्रिवन कार ही people would love to sit comfortable behind, and I must agree that the kind of comfort that you have is really amazing.
Correct. So actually आता तुम्ही पळयता आसतले की my height is almost around 5.10 or so. The thing is I'm comfortably sitting here, and फाटलो सीट complete फाटी आसा सध्या, and still we are having such a good leg room. And ही 5 जाणांची अशी बसपाची अशी गाडी म्हणपाक आमी शकता, but then the third person has to always get he has to compromise on his sitting arrangements behind, but 4 जाण सारखे comfortably बसू शकता. Second thing तुम्ही पळयता आसतले हांगा तुमकां एक्सेस आसा डायरेक्ट बुटाक. If you can see,
So if you want to get something,
you can directly pick up the things whatever you have stored behind on the things. Again, आज सांगपाचें अशें म्हणल्यार आमची एक स्कॉडा एक्सेसरीज किट येता. In that Skoda accessories kit we offer sun blinders, we offer mud flaps. As you can see, the sun blinders are there here. And sun blinders, we offer mud flaps, we offer floor mats, we offer 2 pillows which are there placed behind, and body cover as well offer the car. So ani kai ashem tumka extra accessories you don't have to purchase, and whatever we are offering you are we see to it that it's like proper from Skoda. And these are perforated seats. Ata हे perforated हांगा आसा पळय. So basically आमच्या फुडल्यान आसा थंय तुमकां AC येता, म्हणजे तातूंतल्यान ventilation आसा, but these are the seats it will just absorb your sweat. म्हणजे तुम्ही आता on long journeys ट्रॅव्हल करता, it will not make you म्हणजे फाटवली जावची ना, तसलें जावचें ना. you will be always dried here, म्हणजे ड्राय आसतले तुमी. And secondly, these are the special reading lamps. आता तुम्ही बुक ओपन करून बसले जाल्यार तो सारको तुमच्या बुकाचेरूच पडटलो आनी खंयच पडचो ना. So it is like there are certain simply clever features because Skoda believes in some simplifying and clever engineering, and they have been doing it over a long period of time now. आता तें उलोवंक वचत जाल्यार 4 years warranty up to 1 lakh kilometers we are giving standard free. Okay, 3 वर्साची गाडीक पेंट वॉरंटी आसा, 6 years anti corrosion warranty आसा. If a single screw also of the car is rusted, then it will be replaced under the warranty. आणि there is again 4 years roadside assistance. आणि 4 years roadside assistance meaning कितें, आता if you are traveling all over India, we do have more than 70 dealerships in entire pan India. So we offer a customer a delivery card. Deliveryच्या टायमार एक टोल फ्री कार्ड दिता आमी, ताजेर नंबर आसता 2. So on that particular thing you can give a call. Okay, it gets connected to the nearby dealership and they assist you immediately. Meaning जाता तितले बेगीन ते येता, आणि if there is no fuel then the fuel will be provided to you, 10 liters. Fuel is charged, but the transport to reach you wherever you are is free. And major कितें जालें जाल्यार flatbed बी हाडून they assist you immediately. And सर्विसिंगाचें एक उलोवपाचें आशिल्लें म्हाका. There is a hype basically that when you buy a premium segment car, the service is always expensive, and because of there is something called CKD and CBU. CBU is complete build unit, meaning the cars are completely imported, and CKD is complete knockdown, meaning गाडी येता आनी हांगा assemble करता Indian. And we do have 2 plants in Aurangabad and Chakan now. So basically आता कस्टमरांचे एक माइंडसेट आसता की बारीकशा गजाली खातीर ते 10 लोकां कडेन पावता की बाबा सर्विस इज एक्सपेन्सिव, देर इज नो अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ पार्ट. सो सिन्स I am speaking to you today, we are on media, so I would like to pass this message to the people that we have all the parts from the screw to the engine available in the service center, as well as if na जाल्यार in our plants in Aurangabad and Chakan. Maximum हे लागता ते दीस 3 ते 4 दीस, if major असलेले एक 7-8 दीस, ताज्या वयर ना. Major असलें जाल्यार and we do have pickup drop service also available, and best in class is आमचे servicing is 15,000 kilometers of 1 year. एकदा गाडी डिलिव्हरी घेतली, right from the Rapid to the Superb, the highest length, 15,000 kilometers गाडी सर्विस जाता. You don't have to put anything like oil, nothing, no top off, nothing. You have to do, you have to straight service it after 15,000 kilometers or straight after 1 year. Okay, this is the interval of the car. Okay, and we do have again a extended warranty also, which can be taken.
Okay. So I think you've gone through all the details, तुम्ही बारीकातले बारीक details, and obviously जे company standards follow करतात ते तुम्ही communicate केलं. I think we are entering in the festive season. We've already entered rather. So so what is the one thing that you'd like to tell all our viewers?
I would tell my viewers and the customers also who are watching me currently, the things what I can tell you verbally, you will only experience when you drive the car. Okay, हांव आतां तुमकां अशें म्हणजे I'm telling you, I'm explaining the features, I'm telling you about the product. It is like when you sit on the steering, you go for a spin, you personally check it on the bumpy roads, you personally check it on, like, you know, the power, the comfort, the legroom and everything. That unless and until you will never understand what is a Skoda Superb. Okay, and I can vouch on this that once you drive the Superb, you will fall in love with Superb.
Okay,
that is 100%.
I think once you drive the Superb, you'll fall in love with Superb. But again, another car that is Rapid,
Yeah.
which is your bread and butter. I think we need to just check in brief,
Yeah.
and we will just see आमचे पेंटिंग जे आमचं सागर बाप करता ते खंय पावला ते.
Yeah.
I think we need to check that. Okay, Saish, another fastest selling car in your company, your brand, is the Skoda Rapid.
Correct.
I think much has been spoken, and I think बरेचदा customer स्वतः ताच्याबद्दल उलयता. I think if you can just sum it up for all our viewers, what Rapid means.
Basically, Skoda Rapid जी आसा आमची, इट्स द स्टार्टिंग वेरियंट. जेन्ना तुमी स्कॉडान भितर सरता, सुरवात जाता फक्त रॅपिडाच्यान, जी वता आमी फाटले पयले गाडये कडेन, सुपर्बा कडेन. अँड आतां कितें जाता, डे टू डे जे आमचें ट्रॅव्हलिंग आसता आनी आसता, मेन इशू इज पार्किंग आनी ऑल दोज थिंग्स. थोड्यांक कितें आसता, हॅचबॅक आतां जी गाडी आसा करंटली ती पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार इट गोज टू अरावंड 790, 8 lakhs, 850 अशे रेट्स तांचे क्रॉस जाता. सो पीपल थोड्या लोकांक कितें जाता, थोड्यांक फाटल्यान बूट स्पेस जाय आसता, थोड्यांची फॅमिली व्हडली आसता, थोड्यांक लगेज ट्रॅव्हल करची आसता घेवन. फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर थिंग वी हॅव एन ऑप्शन वीच इज कॉल्ड अ रायडर प्लस. इट्स अ स्टार्टिंग वेरियंट अँड इट स्टार्ट्स एट द प्रायस ऑफ 799, 599. So then customer falls into a situation where if I'm buying a car and I'm getting a Skoda brand, come sedan, come a strengthy car at home at the price of hatchback, then why not a Rapid? पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार there are 5 variants which are displayed in front of you, so you have a variety of choice to do once you enter the showroom. Starts from Rider Plus, which is our base, then we have a mid, we have a top, and then again we have a addition to the mid and top. So you have a far variety option with different types of rates, and yeah, we do have the discounts. We have we work out something to make the customer happy. We see to it that once the customer is living with the Skoda, he is always living with a smile on his face. So that is there.
I think I really need to thank you, your team, for being part of this journey, because had it not been Skoda, my journey wouldn't have been comfortable. एक जर्नी असली. म्हाका दिसलेलें की एक माझे जे रिपोर्टरान म्हाका जेन्ना सांगलो, फोन केल्लो तेन्ना म्हटलें की एक स्टोरी आसा, एंड आय एक्चुअली फेल इन लव विथ द स्टोरी. आय केम ऑल द वे टू आडपय टू एक्सप्लोर दॅट स्टोरी, एंड आय थिंक दिस वुडंट हॅव बीन सो मेमोरेबल if it had not been Skoda, it had not been Saish, had not been Skoda Superb as well as Rapid and his team that has supported me. I think I hope you liked the travelogue, but before we go, obviously I need to thank everybody who've been part of this journey. आणि obviously ह्या एंडाक हांव तुमकां खरेंच सागरान जे चित्र काडलां, जे आमकां स्पेशल आमच्या खातीर काडलां, ह्या कार्यक्रमा खातीर काडलां आनी सगळ्या प्रुडंटाच्या व्ह्युअर्सा खातीर काडलां, ते आवर्जून पळया. तोपर्यंत आमी वेगळ्या काही अशे जर्नी प्रोग्राम घेवन येतले, ट्रॅव्हलॉग घेवन येतले. तोपर्यंत पळयत रावात प्रुडंट अँड एन्जॉय. आणि ऑब्वियसली द फेस्टीव स्पिरीट इज कमिंग, इट्स ऑलरेडी देर, सो यू नीड टू गियर अप.